High Fidelity Social Virtual Reality World. As the Metaverse's mixed reality concept gains traction, one of the first virtual reality or VR worlds is making a significant comeback thanks to a new investment. Today in this video, we will hear about High Fidelity, the social virtual reality world, and how it is a new experience. Watch the video until the end and subscribe for more such videos. Here we begin! High Fidelity recently announced an investment in Linden Research Incorporated or Linden Lab to expand the popular virtual world Second Life. In addition, Philip Rosedale, the founder of both companies and a Metaverse pioneer, announced his return to Second Life as a strategic advisor to aid in the expansion. In a statement, Rosedale said, "No one has come close to building a virtual world like Second Life. Second Life has managed to create a positive, enriching experience for its residents, with room for millions more to join. While also building a thriving subscription-based business, dystopias do not have to exist in virtual worlds." High Fidelity's investment in Second Life consists of both cash and distributed computing patents. In an interview with CNET, Rosedale stated that two of the patents would be decentralized environment patents. Second Life has been around since 2003 and reached a peak of 1.1 million active monthly users in 2007. According to a Linden Lab spokesperson, the virtual world's user numbers have recently begun to grow again, and the virtual world is approaching 1 million monthly active users. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the platform experienced significant growth, with people spending more time at home, particularly in its virtual economy. According to the spokesperson, the platform has an annual GDP of $650 million, and more than $80 million was paid to residents in 2020 for a variety of virtual goods and services. In addition, since the pandemic began, virtual space has seen a 30 to 40% increase in GDP and a 20% increase in concurrency. While the term Metaverse is not new, having been coined by author Neil Stephenson in his 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash, it has seen a recent resurgence. Big tech companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, envisioned the Metaverse as a place where people can virtually interact with one another using VR and augmented reality tools. However, Second Life differs from the new Metaverse Meta is attempting to create in that it employs a 3D browsing software called SL Viewer rather than simply requiring a VR headset. Rosedale told CNET that he does not see Second Life moving solely to a headset until better hardware becomes available, and that the virtual world is far more useful as a VR optional platform. For Rosedale, avatar meetings are too complicated. Rosedale believes that communication via avatars misses things and isn't as effective as, say, a Zoom call. "We're not just there yet," says Rosedale. He believes that while social gaming worlds such as Roblox and Fortnite are popular, alternatives outside gaming still need improvement. Going to a concert or a business meeting isn't working yet. Rosedale believes that a Second Life reboot would be difficult because the platform has grown over the last 20 years. As have the economic and social conditions. Any change has the potential to destabilize these evolved structures. As a result, he only considers a completely new project. Rosedale believes Second Life must focus on the mobile market, which Linden Lab overlooked when it first launched in 2003. Other enhancements could include webcam-based avatar tracking, support for multiple avatars in the same room at the same time, and an alternative to traditional video calls for communication. Rosedale, in any case, will not rely on an advertising-based business model for Second Life or any new project. If the Metaverse is to succeed, it must succeed on the basis of economic success, he explained. Review. First, kudos to the position tracking, which works extremely well. We had no difficulty determining the position at any point during the test. We started by playing around in the lab, a demo room for various VR gimmicks. It is similar to the Portal 2 game and has existed since the first Vive version. It allows you to interact with various objects such as controlling a drone, shooting arrows with a bow, holding objects in your hands to examine them, or simply smashing a coffee cup. You can also access mini-games or demos from here which are meant to whet your appetite for more VR experiences. For example, the bow shooting game, in which you must defend a castle from attacking Vikings, is entertaining. However, for Portal fans, the Robot Workshop is a funny homage to the game with its great visuals and surprising VR details. Following that, we stepped onto the bridge of the Starship Enterprise, demonstrating how exciting it is to visit fantastic environments in VR. A story-based, single-player VR game set in the Star Trek or Star Wars universes would be very successful. Later, we went to the Louvre to see the Mona Lisa, flew with Da Vinci's flying machine, held the Earth in our hands, went diving in some caves deep beneath the seas, explored some extraordinary places on our planet with Google Earth, and sent Rocky into the ring in Creed Rise to Glory. The virtual reality immersion is truly impressive and a worthwhile experience. The way the integrated headphones dangled down on the sides did not give the impression of being particularly high quality at first glance. However, this is a false impression, and we were pleasantly surprised by the sound experience provided by the small headphones. They have a good sound image and are especially impressed with the accurate location of the sounds surrounding the player. However, we were irritated by the audio cable dangling down around the back of the head, connecting the two headphones. It would have been preferable if this had been possible to incorporate. We only wish for a virtual implementation of the body in all games in the future. In the Creed boxing game, you can at least move your arms. Great! It's strangely amazing to admire detailed landscapes and then look down at your body and see nothing. This completely ruins the immersion. Isn't it possible to make a simple torso with limbs that move based on tracking your own arms and legs? With the player's movements also being converted into virtual movements? Or would this consume too much computing power? So, what do you think about High Fidelity as the new social VR world? Do you believe that the headset will stand out among others? Let us know in the comments section below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.